Welcome back. Today I will discuss about trigonometry function in 11th maths. Trigonometry function, a Greek word. Trigonometry means Greek word trigon plus metron. It means measuring the side of triangle. So now let us degree of measure. Degree of measure 1 degree is equal to 60 minute and 1 minute is equal to 60 second. And also relation between arc and radius. So let us consider a triangle center O and an arc length L and radius R and center angle theta. So theta is equal to arc upon radius. So arc L, radius R and theta is equal to this in radian. This arc means a arc joined to radius. So this arc denoted by L and R is radius of a circle and theta center angle made by arc theta. So theta is equal to arc upon radius. So it denoted by radius if arc of circle L and radius R. So theta is equal to L upon R, or L is equal to R theta. So this is formula. Relation between radian and degree 1 degree is equal to 2 pi upon 180 radian or 1 radian is equal to 180 upon pi. 1 radian is equal to and 1 degree is equal to pi upon 180 radian and 1 radian is equal to 180 upon pi. And 360 is equal to degree in change in radian. So 180. So 180 degree is equal to pi radian. So pi 2 into 180. So 2 into pi. So 360 degree is equal to 2 pi radian. So 2 pi radian 360 degree. Now let us start exercise 3.1. Question number first. Find the radian measure corresponding to the following degree measure. Now solution of this question, part of first 25 degree. So radian measure is equal to pi upon 180 multiplied by degree measure. So now in radian says pi upon 180 multiplied by degree, this 25 put here. Now 5 5s are 25, 5 3s are 15, 5 6. So 5 pi upon 36 in radian. And also question number second, part of second, minus 47 degree and 30 minute and change into degree. So is equal to minus 47 30 upon 60. So 1 degree is equal to 60 minute. So 1 minute is equal to 1 upon 60 degree. So now put here. So 1 upon 2. So minus 47 1 upon 2 degree. So 9 minus 47 2 7 14 2 8 94 plus 1 upon 2. So minus 94 95 upon 2. Change into in radian degree. So change into in radian. So radian is equal to pi upon 180 multiplied by this minus 95 divided by 2. We get minus pi upon 180 multiplied by 95 upon 2. 19 of 36. So minus 19 pi upon 36. This is answer of given question. So degree and minute change into in degree. So 1 minute is equal to 1 upon 60 degree. Now this change 30 upon 60. So calculate 1 by 2. So minus 47 1 upon 2 degree. So this calculate this 95 upon 2 and change into degree pi upon radian, change into radian pi upon 1 and 2 multiply by this, we get this. And question number part of third, also 240 in change into radian. So 240 into pi upon 180. So 6463. So 4 pi upon 3 radian. Question number 2. Find the degree measure corresponding to the following. A radian measure use pi is equal to 22 upon 7. So now in degree measure is equal to 180 upon pi into radian measure. So now these value in radian, these value put here. So 180 upon pi into radian 11 upon 16. So pi value 22 upon 7. So 180 upon pi 22 upon 7 into 11 upon 16. So 180 multiply by 11 into 7 upon 22 into 16. So now 11 2 90 and 8 2 8 and 2 45. So 7 5 35 7 28 315 upon 8. This is measured in degree. In degree, now since also divide 315 divided by 8. So 8 24 and 11 7 11 minus 4 7 5 9 and 72 and 3. So now written 39 whole and 3 upon 8 degree. So and also change into 39 degree plus 3 upon 8 degree. This is now 39 degree plus 3 upon 8 degree. So 1 degree is equal to 60 minute. Change into minute. 39 degree plus 3 upon 8 multiply by 16 to change in minute. So 8 4 4 15 and 4 2. So 39 degree and 45 upon 2 minute, and also change 39 degree plus 45 22 whole 1 upon 2 degree, and also 39 degree plus 22 minute plus 1 upon 2 minute, and 39 degree plus 22 minute plus, since 1 minute is equal to 60 second, change into second. So 1 by 2 multiply by 60, so change into second. So 30, and also 39 degree 22 minute and 30 second, and written in form new standard form 39 degree 22 minute and 30 second. This is answer of given first part. So change into in degree, minute and second. And part of second minus 4, and also in degree is equal to measure in degree, measure in degree is equal to 180 upon pi into measure in radian. So 180 upon pi measure minus 4. So 180 upon 22 upon 7 into minus 4. So 180 minus 1 into 4 upon 22 into 7. So 11 and 2. So minus 36 360 into 7 upon 11 is equal to 0 2 7 6 42 7 3 21 25 upon 11. This is in measure in minus itna degree. So now 2520 divided by 11. So 11 to 22 and 3 32 and divide 2 2 and 1 0 and 9 99 1. So now this also says 229 whole 1 upon 11 degree. So now since 229 degree 1 upon 11 degree is equal to 229 plus 1 upon 11 degree. So since 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. So now put here 229 degree plus 1 upon 11 multiply by 60. So 229 degree plus 60 upon 11 minute. So now change this 229 degree plus 11 5 and 5 upon 11 minute. So also change 229 degree plus 5 minute plus 5 upon 11 minute. So since 1 minute is equal to 60 second. So now this change again 229 degree plus 5 minute plus 5 upon 11 into 60 is equal to, this is also second convert, 229 degree plus 5 minute plus 300 upon 11 second. Now again change in 300 divided by 11. So this is 11 to 22 8 11 7 and 77 3 point and 2 near about to 229 degree plus 5 minute plus 27.2 approx. So this is 27 or and also written 229 degree and comma 5 minute and 27 second. And part of third 5 pi upon 3. So now since in degree, so pi 5 pi upon 3 into 180 upon pi. So pi cancel 6, 300 degree, and part of 4, and also 7 pi upon 6. So degree measure is equal to 180 upon pi into radian measure. So now 180 upon pi into 7 pi upon 6, pi cancel 6, 3, 0, 20, 210 degree. Question number 3rd. A wheel make 360 revolution in 1 minute. Through how many radian does it turn in 1 second? Since number of revolution in 1 minute is equal to 60, or number of revolution in 60 second is equal to 360 degree, and also and therefore number of revolution in 1 second. So 360 upon 60 is equal to 6 turn. Since number of revolution in 1 second in number of revolution in 1 second is equal to 2 pi. Therefore number of revolution in 1 second in 1 turn. So therefore number of revolution in 1/6 turn in 2 pi into 6 is equal to 12 pi radian. Question number 4. Find the degree measure of the angle subtended at the center of a circle of radius 100 cm by an arc length 22 cm. Use pi is equal to 22 upon 7. Solution of this question. So now radius of circle is equal to 100 centimeter, and length of arc is equal to, this is radius, this is length, arc 22 centimeter. So theta is equal to arc upon radius, L upon R. So now L 22 upon R, 100. This is theta degree. Change into radian. Change into radian. So theta is equal to 22 upon 100 is equal to 180 upon pi. So now theta is equal to this. So 22 upon 100 into 180 upon 22 upon 7 is equal to 22 into 180 into 7 upon 100 into 22. So cancel out. So 0. So 9 and 5. So 63 upon 5. Change into in minute. So 63 divided by 5. 5 1 5 1 5 1 3 5 2 10 3. So also written 12 degree and 12 whole 3 upon 5 degree, and change this. Now calculate 63 upon 5 degree is equal to 12 whole 3 upon 5 degree, and also 12 degree plus 3 upon 5 degree. So 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. So 12 degree plus 3 upon 5 multiply by 60 in change minute. 5 12 and 12 and 36 minute. So this is answer of the given question. Question number 5th. In a circle of the diameter 40 centimeter, the length of chord is 20 centimeter. Find the length of minor arc of the chord. Now solution of this question. So now draw a circle, radius center O and diameter 40. So diameter is 40. Now diameter 40, radius 20. So and in chord 20 centimeter. So 20 centimeter, and join to this and A and B. So now 20 radius and also same 20 centimeter. This since OA is equal to OB is equal to AB is equal to 20 centimeter. Each, therefore triangle OAB is an equilateral triangle, makes each angle 60 degree. So in change into radian, 60 upon pi upon 180. So 63 is equal to pi by 3 radian, and R θ theta is equal to pi upon 3 and r is equal to 20. So now theta is equal to L upon r. So arc of radius arc upon radius L is equal to theta into r. So theta pi upon 3 and radius 20 centimeter. So now 20 pi upon 3 radius arc, this is centimeter, 20 pi upon 3, that's all. Question number 6. If in two circles arc of the same length, solution of this question: same length substance, arc of the same length, and let length of arc be L, and theta first angle 60 degree and theta to second angle 75 degree at the center make angle, and radii r1. So find r1 is equal to, so we know that theta is equal to L upon r. So now this pattern theta 1 is equal to L upon r1. Length of arc, those are same. So now r1 is equal to L upon theta 1. So r1 L and theta 1 is equal to 60 degree, and also r2 is equal to L upon 75 degree r theta 2. So L upon 75 degree r2. So r1 upon r2 is equal to r1, and r1 is equal to L upon 60. So first, now a second. So first divided by second. So r1 L upon 60 upon L upon 75. So L cancel out, 75 upon 60. So 15 5, 15 4. So 5 upon 4. So 5 ratio 4. This R1 ratio R2 is equal to 5 ratio 4. This is answer. Question number 7. Find the angle in radian through which a pendulum swings if its length is 75 centimeter. So radius is equal to 75 and length of arc is equal to 10 centimeter. So part of first, so theta is equal to L upon R. So now put here L 10 upon 75. So 5 2 5 15 2 upon 15 degree, and also part of second R is equal to 75 centimeter, and L is equal to 15 centimeter. So theta is equal to L upon R. So L is equal to 15 upon 75. So 1 upon 5. So 1 upon 5 degree. That's all.